This is the Levoit Core Mini Air Purifier, and this air purifier is very quiet. It is also very good looking. It has dimensions of 6.5 inches by 10.4 inches, and the weight is 2.2 pounds. The rated power is 7 watts, and in this video we're going to be unboxing it. I'm going to show you how it works, and we're going to talk about why you might consider this for your next air purifier. Now, it does come with a 2-year limited warranty, and when we unbox it, you'll see exactly what you get. You're going to be getting the air purifier, you get that 3-stage filter, the aroma pad, because it does come with the aromatherapy, and you get one AC power adapter with the user manual. The key features on it is that it still uses, like its bigger brothers, the Quiet Keep technology, which is just their vortex air technology that's going to make it run quieter. At the lowest setting, you might not even know it's on. It'll probably be at about 20 to 24 decibels. It is ozone free, it is a check filter indicator, and it uses that 3-stage filtration system where you have stage number 1 as your pre-filter to remove the larger particles, then you're going to have that carbon filter to remove odors, and then you have the HEPA filter that's removing 99.97% of particles up to a 0.3 micron size like dust, dander, and allergens. The filters are going to last you 4 to 6 months, and depending how frequently you use it, if you notice your filter is noisier, it's decreased airflow, you get more odors, that's usually a sign to replace your filters. And it's easy also to clean your filter. So that filter, you just clean the outer pre-filter every 2 to 4 weeks to increase the efficiency, extend the overall lifespan of your filter, and then you can clean that using a soft brush or a vacuum hose. Don't use water on it because you don't want to get your filters wet. And here, let's see what this sounds like when you turn it on. I have it here. So let's answer the question that you might be asking yourself: why would I consider getting a Levoit Core Mini? For one, you're going to be getting cleaner air. So nobody ever complains about cleaning their air. It's like clean water. That's a good thing. Second, you're going to be getting one unit that is well constructed. The finishes are smooth, everything is top notch, it's a premium build quality, it runs very quietly, it does exactly what it's intended to, and even the aromatherapy puck, which is on the side, how you remove it is very streamlined and hidden inside the unit. It is not just like a little pad somewhere where you have to pop it open in an awkward place. It actually blends in with the overall design, and I do like that. Now, one thing to catch is that the plug for your Levoit Core Mini is going to be on the top of your unit, or at least on the upper back of the unit, because it's not on the bottom. And that's because it is separated. The entire motor is up top. That 7-watt motor is on the top of it, while the bottom is that 360-degree air intake that's going to be refreshing the air in your room. Now, what room is this for? This is going to be for a room about 10 by 10, maybe 10 by 15. You can use it in a larger room up to 178 square feet, but remember, you're going to be refreshing the air every 2 times versus what I like, which is about every 12 to 15 minutes. So I like to use this in a room maybe in that 120 to 130 square foot range. But it removes the odors, it does a great job, it is affordable, it looks good, and that checks all of my boxes, because the 3 things I always say you should look for in an air purifier is: does it look good? What's the square footage? So what's the space that you're going to be using it in? And what is the long-term cost? So the long-term cost, the filters are pretty reasonable from Levoit. They are going to be lasting you 4 to 6 months, and this is an air purifier I like. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Bye.